Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Starlink system install on our motorhome. We are in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're about 10 minutes away from Cades Cove campground, which is considered a primitive campground. So there's no hookups. So what you need, you bring in with you. It's also going to be a great place to check out our new Starlink system because there's no internet and there's no cell service. So let's get set up and we'll check this system out. Okay, so we are set up on our campsite, and even with that large tree hovering over the dish, which is still up on the roof of the motorhome, we can still text, but it's kind of a weak signal. So we're going to get up there and take it off and move it out here to the opening and see if we can improve our signal. So I've taken my longer cable and I've just run it through this bathroom window temporarily so I can plug it into that modem that's still connected to 12-volt power because we're boondocking and we have no 120. And then I've run that cable out to my dish and I found a good spot for it. It's pointing north. I've got a little bit of a clearing through the trees. I'm just going to walk over to it and show you where that clearing is. And we're getting a strong signal. I'll show you what that looks like. So that's our window right there. It's working very well. One thing I wanted to add is in that first video, I told you to use a 10 amp fuse on that 12-volt power supply. You need to use a 15 amp fuse because when that modem fires up, it draws about 12 amps and then it settles down to about 4 or 5 amps. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. But this is going to wrap it up for this video. If you stay tuned to the very end, you're going to see some highlights of Cades Cove, which I highly recommend that you visit because it's an awesome place. So until next time, safe travel.